Sunset bleeds on Hoover's chrome, low rider scraping pavement. Cadillac grown, cruising slow through streets of blood and raging. Reggie bought a Tech 9 clean, dreaming past the block. Monday came, body tape, chalk lines where he dropped. Bloodline ink etched deep in lead, not the words from Sunday pews. Crip walks hard, no mercy beg, respect paid in dues. Candy painted 64, hydraulics kissed the sky. Armor wasn't fashion, just a way to stay alive. Choppers roared like angry gods above the Slauson scene. OG sipped Old English, watching ghosts in between.
Bullets rain like